Bullish Cardano cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.68 and $3.18 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach $1.31 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 29 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital money market is duplicating continuously. Be that as it may, staying aware of this high-speed industry is certainly not a simple errand. Subsequently, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized investigation, and what's on the horizon for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a diligent undertaking that calls for both tolerance and examination. How about we jump profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital currency trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-explored information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the digital money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing possible dangers. Cardano's specialized examination, albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with anticipating estimating development for Cardano and the bigger digital currency market. There are a few possible significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow an unmistakable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized investigation. Following are the absolute most utilized specialized markers. Moving midpoints. This particular pointer is constructed utilizing Cardano costs got from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, dealers can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed over the long haul and where it is moving in view of the data within reach. Relative strength file. This is the diagram to check to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the overall strength record to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell appropriately. For instance, a looming downturn is regularly anticipated by a cost increment and an overbought signal, while a cost drop and an oversold signal foresee an approaching cost gain. Moving normal intermingling difference. Moving normal union disparity, or MACD, alludes to contrasting a 26 and 12 period remarkable moving normal. A solid pointer tells you when dealers are progressing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer arrangement keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the register part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Cardano is at present worth 32 cents USD. ADA has moved 1.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $144,111,934. Cardano is at present position 7 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $13,059,411,007 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 48 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 45 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 39 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 81 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ADA's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 65 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 71 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.14 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.04 and a low of 97 cents in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Cardano effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.47, with a base cost of $1.30 and a typical cost of $1.37. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.69 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.63 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $1.79. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.02. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.12. Neglecting to accumulate the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.95. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.28 and a yearly cost close above $2.44 in 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.60 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.77, averaging out at $2.67. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.19 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.06. Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best cryptographic forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive digital currency choices. Along these lines, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation advances. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a digital money.